After ACL reconstruction, a frequent topic is return to sport. When can I play again? There's no easy answer to this question, and it's different for every patient. Remember that return to sport is not a moment in time. It's more a spectrum of activity as we gradually increase what you do and how you do it. Around the time of 6 months after an ACL reconstruction, we transitioned our mindset from one of rehabilitation or physical therapy into one more of sports performance if one is to play sports. So what does that mean? That means integrating some of those sport-specific movements that you need to relearn around the 6-month timeline. That does depend on how you're doing and how your personal strength is. However, on average, most patients are able to get to that point at 6 months after surgery. So during that time period, what are we doing? Well, let's say you play basketball. If playing basketball, you would start working on your form for shooting once again. You might start with some gentle one-on-one basketball activity, try and get your motion or your rhythm back. If you played football, you might start running routes again. Without any sort of competition, our goal is to take out the uncertainty of another player and run planned routes to get your agility and your strength back, and resume your muscle memory so you remember how to make those movements safely. You want to integrate everything that you learned in physical therapy to ensure that you're moving in such a way that you are not more prone to injure yourself. Over the course of 6 to 12 months after surgery, we'll gradually increase those activities until the point where we can discuss potentially returning to competitive play. The decision to return to competitive play is a complex one that involves a discussion between myself, you, your coach, and your physical therapy team. Frequently, we'll do what's called a return to sport test, where we evaluate to see how strong you are compared to your other side, to see if you're prepared to protect your knee in the event of a potential injury or in a sport. Even if you pass the return to sport test, that does not mean you return to playing full minutes the next day. The return to sport process is a process and not a moment in time. You're looking to gradually increase your minutes, gradually increase time in practice, and gradually increase competitive play from that point on. So it may take up to 18 months to be playing the full number of minutes that you're used to, but it's important that we do things in a gradual and stepwise manner based on your personal and individual milestone.